Sous vide is a fancy French way of saying cooked in a vacuum. You take some food, put it in a vacuum-sealed bags, or for the less pretentious chef, Ziploc works too, and leave it to slow cook in a bath of warm water until it's tantalizingly tender. Unlike cooking by oven or grill, the bath method distributes heat evenly from edge to center, and the vacuum bag seals its moisture. You can cook everything from poultry to lobster to eggs to corn, and be sure that all nutrients are intact while having a super tender meat or perfectly cooked veggies. Until a few years ago, cooking with this method was only possible at restaurants and with expensive appliances. Nowadays, you have a wide range of choices and products. Mainly, you have two choices. A sous vide wand, that is a stick which has a clip to attach it to the side of a cooking vessel. It provides you the heat that will cook your food, and you can control it sometimes even with an app. Or a sous vide cooker, that is like a slow cooker, but you will submerge your food in water, and it will control the temperature and time of cooking. Welcome back to my review channel. We will go through the best 5 sous vide, hoping we can help you choose one. We look for different products for different needs. We choose the best ones and try to explain them to you. We aim to save you time and money. We do the researching, testing, and comparing. So when you decide you need an X, you can have here the information to choose one for you. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. We make this reviews together, so if there is anything we are missing, please comment below and we will check it. Let's start. Here are the 5 sous vide we will compare today. Let us know if you already have a favorite. Anova Culinary Nano, best sous vide wand. From all the sous vide wand we try, this one is by far the best. This new model from Anova is smaller and quieter than the previous one, and offers a lab-grade control over the temperature, with a 0.1 degree tolerance, delivering the best results. 12 inches tall and black, though the design is not minimalist, it can fit easily in any kitchen style. We like especially the matte finishing and the straight lines. The display and interface on the stick is easy to use, and you have both options to set it up from the display in the product or to use the app via Bluetooth. As the negative comments, most people complain about the range of the Bluetooth. If you want to sit on the other room and control it, you make sure that room is not too far away. And we agree with that. Overall, this product has a 4.2 stars on Amazon with over 4,000 reviews, and it's the best seller in its category. Because its overall performance, this product is the perfect choice if you want to start cooking sous vide. Joule Sous Vide, best design and performance. The Joule Sous Vide is the best choice if you love well-designed and tech products. Its white color and clean lines make it our favorite in terms of design. Not only as a product to have on the table, but also because this simplicity makes it super easy to clean, and is smaller than the Anova. The Joule has a magnetic feet that will attach firmly to your magnetic pot, or you can use the clip to fix it to any other container you would like to use for cooking. With 1100 watts of power, heats water faster than most sous vide machines, and with a 0.1 degree precision. If you are a gadget lover, for sure this is your choice. You can control it via Alexa and start, pause, or stop the cooking without even touching the phone. It has no controls on the stick. This may be confusing for some people, and you may wonder why you should be connected to the internet to cook. But this is your choice. As consumer feedbacks, the Joule has a 4.4 stars rating in Amazon with over 12,000 reviews. What most people value is its design, small size, and the voice control. What most people complain about is having to log in, using Facebook or your own user at Joule to start cooking. They also complain about connectivity issues. That, due to the lack of controls on the stick, means that anything happens to your phone, your dinner is gone. So if you're an old-fashioned chef who liked to put his phone aside and enjoyed cooking the old way, this is your product. If you are a tech lover, you value a good design and loves to be connected, this is for you. We will for sure impress your guests when you start talking to the Joule to prepare the dinner. It is also powerful and with great performance, and has a great support in the app with recipes and videos. Monoprice Sous Vide, best budget sous vide wand. This Monoprice Sous Vide wand is your choice if you're looking for a budget option Without too many pretenses, it performs well and delivers what it promises. It's bigger than the others we just saw, and the design is not so clean. But the fact that it's completely autonomous from any app or internet connection is also something to take into account. If you prefer to interact with the product directly, it has a display that is clear and easy to use. It is 800 watts. That is less powerful than the Joule, but a bit more than the Anova. The design is a bit outdated, but functional. It has a stainless steel part. That is the one in contact to the water, what makes it durable and easy to clean. The handle in black is a clamp to fix it. The LCD display and a light that indicate if the product is working. From the display, you can set the cooking temperature and time. It doesn't have preset cooking options or anything else. Simple and easy to use. It has a review of 4.5 stars in Amazon, and most consumers value the simplicity and the price. The few bad reviews are mainly because of malfunctions. But we have to say that the customer support is good. They will send you a new one almost immediately. So if you're willing to try a sous vide wand, you want to keep it in a budget, and you don't fancy being connected to it, this is your choice. Sous Vide Supreme, best sous vide machine. From the sous vide machine we test, this one is by far the best, but you will have to pay for it. The convenience of the wand compared to a dedicated machine is preferred by many. But if you love cooking, want to get the best results, and you like sturdy resonant class appliances, the Sous Vide Supreme is your best choice. Its stainless steel square body, it's perfectly in line with its pro performance. It has 2 recessed side handles on the side to help lifting the machine to pour the water out. It managed the temperature precisely to 1 degree Fahrenheit, or 0.5 degrees Celsius. It's quiet, and the lid doubles as drip tray for pouch transport. It has a universal food pouch rack to position the cooking pouches. The use of the rack is recommended, as the unit does not have a water circulation pump. It uses convection to circulate the water. The display shows the temperature and time. It's simple and clear, though looks a bit outdated, but it's in line with its industrial, old-school look. It has a 4 stars rating in Amazon. Main complaints are about the lid and the display that looks cheap. The most enthusiastic customers value its performance, that it's very quiet and easy to use. To sum up, this is one of the first sous vide machines for home, and in fact, it's the choice of many restaurants also. If you love pro equipment and are ready to invest, this may be a choice. Bear in mind that there are other cheaper options. This leads us to our last product. Gourmia GSV 550 9-quart sous vide water oven cooker. Best budget sous vide machine. Our last product is for us the best choice if you want a dedicated sous vide machine on a budget. The Sous Vide Supreme Demi does a better job of maintaining the water temperature. The temperature usually remains within 1 degree of the set temp. The Gourmia, on the other hand, can vary up to a few degrees, up or down from your set temperature. This may be an issue for when you are cooking for longer periods. In terms of the design, this machine is clearly more modern. It has a stainless steel exterior, but its more rounded lines make this product more homey than the Sous Vide Supreme. It also has a transparent lid that lets you check what's going on inside. The use of the rack is recommended because, as in the Sous Vide Supreme, this model doesn't have a pump to circulate the water. The model also has a simple display where you set up the temperature and the time. No apps, no connectivity. It has a 4 stars on Amazon, and the main complaint we've heard is that the internal coating is weak, and you have to be very careful when cleaning or placing the internal rack, or you risk damaging it and then it will rust. Happy customers value essentially the value for money equation, and so do we. It's the perfect choice if you want to have a sous vide machine on a budget. This is all for this review. Sous vide is how the best chefs in the world get the most moist, mouth-watering dishes every single time. This cooking method allows food to retain all of its juices, aromas, and nutrients. Here you have the 5 products we compare today, from high-tech to pro, from budget to top of the top. We hope you have helped you find the right one for you. Thanks for watching. Click show more in the video description. We have looked for the best offers and links to the products in this video. Please subscribe. Your support helps us going, and you will be updated about the latest videos we do. We are looking forward to your comments to improve our videos. If you have any product you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts is always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.